seconds. And here we go. Loop is live, drivers, loop is live. One down, two to go. Ivy out front, Clay into two. Ivy 1 second lead on Clay right now. He's got Clay right in front of him. If he can get around, he can stretch that lead out a little bit more, possibly. Salazar into 3, McBride into 4. Isham out. Looks like trouble for McBride here. 3 cars left on the track. I don't know, a little contact between Ivy and Clay. Clay hard into the wall over here. Looks like the car is okay though. That's going to put Ivy up front. Clay into 2 spot, 3 seconds back. Oh, trouble. Nice heads-up driver right there from Ivy and Salazar, avoiding a big wreck going into 1. Two down, 2 to go. Ivy up front, Clay into 2. Time to beat the 63-4 flat. Ivy on a 61-4 flat. Salazar into 3. They got 3 cars on the track. Ivy right now on a 62-401 pace. She'll need another full lap somehow with 35 seconds left. Probably not going to happen. Oh, a little contact right there with Clay. Wheel to wheel. It's going to slow his pace up just a little bit. Drops down to a 61. Eight seconds left, drivers. And that's the race, drivers. That is the race. Ivy taking a win right there, 60 laps in a 402. Clay in the 2 with 56. Salazar 56. McBride out early. Isham not able to make the start right there. Mishaga going to hold on to TQ. We got one more Nitro Sprint heat left. Heat number 6. You guys